Most people, when they have the weapons, they put born to kill, or they curse their enemies. What did he have on this? It says, make relations with those who cut you off. Do good to those who harm you. And speak the truth even if it is against yourself. 3 great principles that we can begin with to look at what the Islamic New World Order would be. Because it starts within ourselves. Number 1, make relations with those who cut you off. Never cut off your relationships. With families, other groups within Islam, you have non-Muslim friends, keep your relations. You don't have to follow all the ways of people, but keep relations. Do good even if people do wrong to you. Now we stand up against evil, we will do that. But even if people did harm, the Messenger of Allah would forgive them. The people of Ta'if stoned him till blood poured down on his shoes, and the angel of the mountains came to him and he said, no, do not destroy them, because maybe there are those who would accept Islam amongst them. And they lived to see the people of Ta'if come into Islam in crowds. That is the heart of the Messenger of Allah, Rahmatan al-Alameen, a mercy for all of the worlds. And the last point is, speak the truth even if it is against yourself. And we have to be honest. If we're dealing with scholarship, we have to be honest. If we're dealing with Islam and the practicalities of it, we have to be honest and show all the positions of the scholars and all of the hadiths, not just the ones that support our position.